Learn and play online.
Qu words. This is called a digraph. A digraph is when you have two letters that make one sound. When the letters Q and U are put together, they make the sound qu. We are now going to sound out 5 words that have the digraph qu. After that, it will be your turn to try and spell 5 different words containing the digraph. Make sure you have a whiteboard or a piece of paper to write the words down. Qu, I, n, queen. Qu, a, k, quack. Squ, I, d, squid. Qu, a, l, quail. Squ, a, sh, squash. Now it's your turn to spell and write words containing the qu digraph. Qu, I, l, quill. Qu, I, l, quill. Qu, I, k, quick. Qu, I, k, quick. Qu, I, l, t, quilt. Qu, I, l, t, quilt. Qu, I, z, quiz. Qu, I, z, quiz. Qu, e, st, quest. Qu, e, st, quest.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.